Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great in the market and you are catching some good pips with the current market trend. Today I have another exciting strategy which I'm going to be sharing with you in a short while, and this strategy is something that will make your life easier, and a lot of traders has already requested that I try to create a content on a strategy which the newbies can easily adapt, and I've come up with this one, and I believe this will really satisfy the people who have requested this, and this is very nice and it's very simple. So this strategy, in this training, I'll be sharing a very simple indicator. This we are using one simple indicator, but this indicator is comprises of like 3 different indicators, but in one. This triple super trend is combined with stochastic and RSI and 200-day moving average. As you know, I use a 200 moving average very well because 200 moving average is my base strategy. So how do I focus on trading? I try to simplify the market as much as I can, because that is the profit in the market. If you don't really simplify the market, you will be struggling to understand the direction of the market, and most of the time you will enter buy when you are supposed to enter a sell market. So in this strategy, what you do is, first, once you add this indicator to the chart, as I show you now, just search for this indicator on TradingView. Whether you have a pro account or free account, you can easily add this indicator. This is just one indicator, but has other components attached to it. Don't make any changes. You can only adjust maybe to give a clarity for the 200-day moving average. Make the thickness to the highest, then click OK. Then this, you will have this on your chart as it is on my chart now. So if you see, this indicator has a kind of a dashboard where you'll be able to see clearly. From this point, you can see that all the indicators which are inherent inside this indicator are all giving red. So once you have this, it means that the current market is giving a sell direction. So once you have this clarity from the dashboard, it's much easier for you to understand the direction. And the 200-day moving average, which is our base, is to tell us the direction of the market as well. So now you have multiple layers of confirmation of your trade. So we are removing every form of guesswork in trading. This is our focus, to make sure that trading is as simple as anything, for whether you are a newbie or you're a professional or struggling trader. You will be able to catch up with the current market as we analyze and create more content. So your 200-day moving average you see on the chart here is clearly showing that the price is below it. So this is a downward trend. It means we are only having a business to sell the market, nothing else. So this indicator will give you a signal on the chart, and it will also give you likely where to place your stop, but I'm not using this as a way of managing my trade, because I use my 200-day moving average to manage the trade. So but once I get this signal, is opportunity for me to enter the market, and I look for 2 things. So the moment I get the signal, all I do is, at the point where the signal was generated, I will draw my horizontal line and wait for market momentum, because market momentum is something that you need to focus on. So once I get this break of the horizontal line, it means the market now has given me a confirmation that price is moving downward with full momentum. So at this point, I will enter the market. Again, you will see from here at this very particular point, you get a signal confirming that the market is going down, and if you look here, you have your 200-day moving average showing below is above the price, so this is a confirmed downward trend. So once I get this signal here for a short trade, which is a buy trade, I rule my horizontal line and wait for market momentum to give me confirmation, and at this point I get a break of the horizontal line. So once I have this, I don't have any other thing to do other than to open a sell market. So at the close of this candle, I will enter a sell, and my stop loss will be slightly above this 200-day moving average, and my take profits in this case is something that I target for 1 to 4 hour. I always target this for this trading strategy. So the moment I make one winning trade, it means I've already made money times 4 ahead. So even if I lose 1 or 2 trades, this will not impact because already I've covered a lot of profits ahead. So this is the kind of trading strategy you need to focus on, because making money in the markets will be very simple if you have a strategy which can really give you the opportunity to make more win. And you see the place I enter this trade to this point, when I get this opposite signal, when these indicators were being broken, you will see that I've already made times 4 of what I was risking. So this is a very nice opportunity. And here again, you see this almost current market. This happened just 2 days ago. You see at this point, when this signal was generated, and this trade I entered at this very particular point, which was 2 days ago, and you see the current market is still moving. Okay, if you have been in this trade, you will still maintain, because or again you get another signal here which is giving you here a live sell confirmation. Here you get the signal, this is the signal here, and this is the sell confirmation, because this one has already broken your horizontal line. This is sell confirmation, and the market is still moving down. This market is likely to move down if nothing like there is no news. And if you look down here, you will see these are supporting indicators telling you that the market is still in a downtrend. So, and if you go to this area where you have the signal for here, you have this green, okay, here, because the price is above the 200-day moving average. So you see the moving average here, our 200-day moving average is green, so telling us that we are currently in a buy market, because we are in uptrend. So price is above the 200-day moving average, and you see the supporting indicators are all pointing up, showing green. At that particular point in time, the dash bar will also be showing you all green, telling you that the market is in an uptrend. So what do? All you need is, once you get the signal like what you have here, you just place your horizontal line and wait for market momentum. The moment you have this market momentum here, you enter your trade, you place your stop loss, and you use this 200-day moving average to move your stop loss to trail the market. So in this kind of trade, at this point, when we are using a 1 to 4 hour, this trade will be closed at this point, because we are using a 1 to 4 hour. So this is a very nice opportunity. Let's again have a look at another currency pair to see how this market is faring. And now we are looking at a current market, which is a Canadian dollar against Japanese yen. Same thing applies. You see from here, you can clearly understand, whether you are new in the market, that the current market is downtrend. This is a downward market. So you don't do anything, you don't try to see that, like for example here, you get this signal, you don't enter any buy at this point, because this is like a trap in the market, and this is what takes a lot of money from people trading the market, because they don't really understand why the market is going against them. You can enter this trade here because you believe you got this signal, and just within a space of a few candles, you see the market reverse and move down against you very hard. So because you were against the trend, it's like somebody driving against the traffic. So definitely you are going to meet a lot of upcoming vehicles which will really obstruct your movement. So here you see this is a signal here generated at this point. All you do once you get this signal, you place your horizontal line and wait for market momentum. Here you have a market momentum breaking this, so you enter your market and you place your stop loss here and use this to trail your stop, and you see this market is still active. Somebody who enters this current market, the market is still very active, so you will continue to manage your trade and monitor how the market is moving. See here again, using the same concept. Here you have your 200-day moving average. At this very particular point, you get your signal and you place your horizontal line, and you see here the line was broken, so you open your sell and you keep moving down until you get either opposite signal or you get your trailing stop is hit, then you can exit the market. So here you see, using the same concept, here 200-day moving average is above the price, and here you get a signal at this point. You place your horizontal line, the break of this horizontal line, you enter your sell and you continue to manage your trade just that same way. Again, we look at another currency pair so that you understand that this is not just selective. This is happening every time in the market. This is Euro Japanese yen. So you see the dashboard also is telling you that the traffic is red, which is going down. The market is in a sell territory, so you don't do anything. Here you get a signal. All you do is you place your horizontal line. Once you have the signal, here you place your horizontal line and wait for market momentum, and here we have a momentum break. So once this candle close, we open our sell. So you see here market try to do as if it's trying to go against you, but knowing that the strategy you have already here, 200-day moving average in your favor, and you have all the traffics showing that the market is downward, all you need is to stick to the trading plan, because that is the ultimate goal. So you see price still come back with force and break down and move down. You try to pull back and still move down again. This is why trading with the trend, moving with the trend, is the best way to trade the market. As a trend trader, I always understand what it's all about to be with the trend, because if you're against the trend, you might make one or two win, but when you get a loss, it's going to really wipe out all the gains you have made. Here again, you have a signal at this very particular point, and all you do, you follow the same strategy. You place your horizontal line, and once you have a momentum break, then at this point you get your momentum break, you enter your sell. Your stop loss, initial stop loss, is slightly above this 200-day moving average before you start managing your trade. And you see with a very big force, the market break down, and your 4R is already at this point. You have already made your 4R. So this is something nice. Traders, try to use this strategy, because it's something that will help you to build, no matter how little your account is. Even if you have $100 in your account or $200, you can use this strategy to build it. All you need to be is to be consistent with the strategy, follow it, watch this video very carefully and follow it step by step. so that you master this strategy and you'll be able to start making profit in the market. Please, in case if you have not subscribed to our channel, we are creating more content. We try to encourage us by subscribing to our channel. Share this video with others, share it with your friends, share it with your family members. Let them understand that making money in the market is something very simple and easy. All they need is dedication and have focus and follow the strategy step by step. Follow the strategy step by step. You'll be able to understand how you can make a good profit from the market. So I believe this is very clear. Please leave a comment in the description box, give suggestions. We welcome them. We look at our comments and we see what kind of content we can come up with. We try as much as possible to create more content that will satisfy the community. I wish you happy trading. See you next time.